SoftWashing Chemicals Oxi Wash. Oxi Wash Sun UV Oxidation. Common surfaces like aluminium or UPVC cladding can be damaged by the UV rays of the sun on the southern and western exposures on the building. This oxidation can easily be removed by diluting the appropriate amount of Oxi Wash into water and then applying and brushing with a truck wash style bi-directional brush. Although good results are often achieved with one application, a second application may be required and additional brushing may be required too. Remember, you are trying to remove oxidized paint from the surface, thereby exposing fresher paint beneath the surface, much like compounding the paint job on a car. In this case, you are achieving the results chemically. Oxi Wash is one of the best soft washing chemicals you will ever use. Metal corrosion. Some metals like aluminium naturally leach oxides that cause a black or grey streaking on the aluminium surface or on adjacent surfaces. This is commonly seen on white aluminium gutters and is often described as tiger striping. Another example of where this is often seen is from oxidation leaching from the corners of window casings or out of the weep holes in the bottom of UPVC casement windows. This will often display as a grey streaking that may be confused as mildew streaking or may even remain after the mildew streaking has been cleaned away, exposing the oxidation. Professional soft washing chemicals that work are available from softwash-systems.com.